Hello. This is April from the Clarinda farm. This is day 3 of practically non-stop rain here in Iowa. This is Sunday, the 7th of October, and the weather people are predicting another 3 days of this. Oh joy. I hope you guys are all staying dry. All I can say is thank God for science fiction and TV. Still got the electricity. Don't know what to say. Be nice to harvest the crops, but it's going to be a while before they can get combines and tractors in these fields. So, y'all take care, and thanks for watching. Oops, got a drip in my eye. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.